Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious Taco Bell-style quesadillas right at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 8-inch flour tortillas, about 4 ounces of cooked, seasoned chicken, and a generous half cup of a 3-cheese blend for each quesadilla. Don't forget the creamy jalapeno sauce. It's key to that signature taste. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Next, let's prepare our chicken. Cook about 1 pound of chicken breast until it's thoroughly done, reaching 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Once cooked, shred or dice the chicken into small, manageable pieces. Season it generously with your favorite taco seasoning, perhaps adding a pinch of chili powder for extra depth. Keeping the chicken warm will help the cheese melt perfectly later on, creating a truly satisfying bite. Now, let's assemble our quesadilla. Take 1 8-inch flour tortilla and spread about 1 tablespoon of the creamy jalapeno sauce evenly across its surface. Next, distribute 2 ounces of your warm, seasoned chicken over the sauce. Then, sprinkle a generous 1/4 cup of the 3-cheese blend over the chicken. Finally, place the second 8-inch tortilla directly on top, creating a delicious sandwich ready for cooking. It's time to cook your masterpiece. Place the assembled quesadilla on a lightly oiled griddle or non-stick pan over medium heat. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until each tortilla is golden brown and crispy. The cheese inside should be beautifully melted and gooey. Once cooked, remove it from the heat, cut it into 3 perfect wedges, and serve immediately. Enjoy your homemade Taco Bell-style quesadilla.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.